Hi, everybody. I hope you can see me okay. My name is Professor Thomas Brannon Gimby. You've already seen me if you've looked at some of the videos that I've been uploading onto the other platform. So I decided this time to do something a little bit different. What I've decided to do is to hold this short video tutorial in a classroom. Now, this classroom is a large classroom, okay? Your classroom is going to be much smaller, but it doesn't matter. I'm just hoping that we can get into any classroom. I want this coronavirus nonsense to end. Let's just get well, okay? And stop fooling around. So anyway, but there's not much we can do because, the decisions are being made by other people, and we just don't have the power. So we're just going to have to continue to have online classes. So anyway, now I'm going to turn away from my face and focus this video on the board. All right, so I'm sorry about the reflection. See YouTube at the top? Okay. From now on, I'm going to be using YouTube to upload all of my videos. So you're going to go to Prep and Review. Let's go here. I need to log in. All right, and password. Let's see if that doesn't work. Hope it does. Yes, it does. All right, that's good. Good news. Okay, we're going to go to any class because this particular assignment is applies to all the classes. So I'm just going to click this one. Okay, so as you can see, when I click the class, up comes a page with all the announcements, the materials, and the assignments. So I have a tutorial number 1. I'm going to click on that. And you're going to see that link right there? That's a YouTube link. You're going to be seeing a lot of those. So when you go to a link and click it, you're going to see the YouTube link. And you're going to be clicking this, and that will take you to YouTube where you can watch my videos. Okay. All right now. That took me away from the LMS. I'm going to have to go back to it. There it is. All right, so that's point number 1. Up till now, you haven't had the YouTube video link. From now on, in order to watch my lessons, in order to experience a video, you're going to have to go to YouTube. Issue number 2 is band. Now, I know most of you have uploaded band onto your Android, and that's great. You also needed your QR code to get into the particular group that I've assigned you. Okay, if you haven't uploaded band from onto your Android from Play Store, you've got to do that, you guys. If you're having any trouble with that, you can call me, okay? The information is on the LMS as to how to get a hold of me, or send me an email, that you can do that too. You're also going to sign up for Skype. So you have to install Skype. You can do it on your computer or on your phone. Sign up, get yourself, each of you, a Skype ID. And you're going to be giving me the Skype ID in your homework number 2. So let's go over to homework number 2. How to do that is you go to assignments. Your homeworks are going to be on the assignments link, and there it is. There it is. Homework number 2. So let's click it. And there you have various things that I want you to share with me. You can share it in a text editor. You can also share it. Let me just go over to the screen over here. It's better. It's bigger. Okay, so on an MS Doc or on the text editor, in your assignments link, you're going to write your name, your student ID number, your class number, and there are a total of 6, so you're only going to choose one. You could be in class 14, you could be in class 34. You just tell me which class number it is. Write down your phone number and your email correctly, and then share with me your Skype ID. So you have to open up Skype, install it, sign up, and give me your ID, because we may be using Skype. We probably will in the future if we don't get back into the classroom. And finally, if you have any questions, you can post them in band. Post your questions in band. If you don't have any questions, then write, "I do not have any questions or issues." Okay? And submit or upload this information into this assignments link for this week. And please get that done. And I really, really appreciate that. I don't think there's anything else, you guys, that I can talk about right now. There probably are, but the thing is that, or the point is, if you have any questions, you can ask them by calling me. I'd prefer you not call me. Go to band and make sure you're signed up for it, and you can ask questions there. And I check band every single day. If for some reason you're having trouble with band, you can go ahead and send me an email to dovebomber@cu.ac.kr or tombrannon@gmail.com. Okay, again, if you have any questions, please ask me. Don't feel like you're being left behind. Don't go incommunicado, where you're just not communicating with me because you're having a problem. Okay? Got it? All right. Talk to you later. Bye.